Hello everybody, I waved to you. I hope you're all doing well. Times are troubling around the world as normal. A bit darker tonight, so I'm just going to go for a quick one. So how is everybody doing? I hope families, and I mean everybody reacts different. If you think of the cars, look at the cars in front of me. One person driving one car, one another one. We're all different. So we're handling like the COVID thing differently, and different nations are handling it differently. But I hope you as a person are trying your best to be level-headed, because we're seeing some scenes that are troubling. But you can't really do or say out, can you? It's everybody's got their own way of thinking about stuff. I think that's why the government in the UK have stopped the daily briefings now, and they tell us something when they need to tell us it. But hey ho. A lot of people have had a terrible with the family, passing away, members of the family and stuff. And myself as well, I've had a bad first 5 months. I won't go into detail about it, but yeah. My mum passing away, I was there with my mum, yeah, so just giving her cuddles and talking to her, reading books, but she had a week or so left. But she wasn't alone, and a lot of people in the hospitals who were alone from the families. Anyway, yeah, we should all keep strong. That's the main thing, isn't it? I was listening to Cycle Cruiser earlier on today before I had to go to work. And he's having a bit of a downer. And he says his motorbike keeps him sane, gives him his release, which it does. We all have our own releases. Some people it's playing the game, tennis, football, whatever, or watching, that kind of thing. I do feel sorry for kids, though. They haven't really got a lot. I mean, there's going to be less jobs for them to start with. They've got no housing in the UK to actually get them onto the ladder for housing. There's no social housing. It's bollocks. Did I swear then? Yeah, I did, didn't I? It is. Government topsy-turvy. They've done nothing about it. Oh, they'll go rent somewhere. Oh yeah, then 6 months have to move out and rent somewhere else, or landlord change their mind or whatever. It's not permanent. It's not a home. And I think a lot of people are having problems in respect of what's life all about. God knows. I don't know. Been through a lot in respect of 60 years being here. So I've seen a lot and done a lot. I've always been good, never been naughty. To an extent that you get in trouble with the law. We should all have, where's he going? Going right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, you got to have some fun. End of. Fun. However you do it, whatever you do. Hey up, going on the corner, better turn. Whatever you do, just and just respect other people's. Their opinions and views will be different to yours. But hey, that's life, we're all different. Like I say, all the cars, everybody's driving different cars and stuff, so we're all different. But that doesn't say you can't respect choices. It's like my kids, they make choices on what they do and stuff. We just got to look after them and try and be there for them. That's the main thing. Look after your family. Family comes first. Oops, what do we then? Yep, family comes first. Whatever you do. This bollocks is working for a living, isn't it? And we all need that thing called money. Not a lot of people have got it. The majority of people are struggling. But look, it's not a very good night out there, is it? Well, at least it's not raining. It's what, about 9 PM UK time. Still fresh out, it's nice, it's not cold. I like riding in winter or whatever. It's nice. Let this Porsche go. He's going that way. Make sure. Me. Looks like it could rain though. I started this conversation how everybody was, and I've been rambling on about all sorts of rubbish. See, bad calm. You're supposed to just relax and breathe it in and just enjoy life. That's why I have my buddy. I gotta give my bike a name. Slow is a good one. Compared to, you know, bigger bikes. I'm quite slow, I just call it fun. Right, I'm gonna love you and leave you. This is a quick one. I haven't had a lot of time lately. Been working a bit later and stuff, so, and with things in the house, family and everything else, it's just getting time to do stuff. So it's just a quick one, just like a blast in the evening to unwind. That's my mate Michael. He's in one of my videos again. I have to show him. Right, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Please subscribe if you'd like to. You know, I'd love to have you on my journey. Hit the notification bell, like the videos, etc. And yeah, if you'd like to become a Patreon, then please do so. It's all oops, it is. It's going to be fine. Yeah, that was a bike behind me now. You can't see him, can you? Right behind me. I was going to say goodbye, but it's not either. Right, I'm going to say goodbye. Tatty bye all.